Teaching lessons on folktales to grade 4 learners was an enriching experience. Folktales are a vibrant way to connect students' cultural narratives and moral lessons. The reflection aims to explore various aspects of the lesson, including preparation, teaching methods, and peer discussions and overall outcomes. Reflecting on the lesson, I realized how engaging the students were with the story. The excitement in the classroom was great. As they were eager to share their thoughts, I encouraged them to think creatively about the morals and the cultural significance behind each tale, which led to a lively discussion. In preparing for these lessons, I considered the broader context of service learning. I aim to instill in the students a sense of responsibility towards their community by connecting the morals of the story to the real life scenarios. The importance of making these connections, which is incorporated into the lessons. I employ a variety of reading instruction methods, including share reading, guided reading, and independent reading. The use of visual and storytelling techniques help to enhance different learning styles. I also incorporated interactive elements such as group discussions and role playing to enhance comprehension and retention. Preparation involves selecting the appropriate folktale or story that resonated with the students' backgrounds and interests. I created a detailed lesson plan that include objectives, activities, and assessment methods. Additionally, I gathered resources such as illustrations and videos to enrich the storytelling experience. Teaching lessons on folktales to grade 4 learners was an enriching experience. Folktales are a vibrant way to connect students' cultural narratives and moral lessons. The reflection aims to explore various aspects of the lesson, including preparation, teaching methods, and peer discussions. Collaborating with a peer before the lesson was valuable. We shared the ideas on how to engage the students more effectively and discuss potential changes. Uh, the peers' feedback helped me refine my approach, ensuring I was prepared for different scenarios that might arise during the lesson. Receiving feedback from my peers after the lesson was constructive. They provide insights into what worked well and what areas need improvement. I also had the opportunity to assess their lessons, which deepened my understanding of effective teaching strategies and reinforced the importance of peer evaluation in potential growth. The lesson on folk tales were well received. Students demonstrate a clear understanding of the themes and values presented in the story. Their ability to relate to these tales to through their own experience was particularly rewarding, highlighting the effectiveness of the lesson, enforcing critical thinking and personal connections. Moving forward, I plan to incorporate more diverse stories from various cultures to broaden students' perspectives. I also aim to implement more collaborative projects to allow students to create their own folk tales or stories, encouraging creativity while reinforcing the lesson learned. In my conclusion, teaching these lessons on folk tales was a fulfilling experience, not only engaging with the students but also fostering critical thinking. Reflections granted from this experience, gathered from this experience, will inform my future lessons, helping me to continually grow as an educator and connect with my students on a deeper level. Thank you.